how to refund Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, if you're trying to refund Bitcoin on Cash App, right, unfortunately, there are some sad news for you. First off, let's say you made a irregular transaction to a mistaken or an accidental wallet, which you didn't want to, but then you want to refund that. Generally, just keep the thing in mind is that you cannot refund Bitcoin on Cash App once a transaction is completed. Why? Because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible due to the nature of the blockchain. So the only way to get a refund is if the recipient voluntarily sends the Bitcoin back to you, or if Cash App made a mistake in delivering your Bitcoin purchase and is required to refund it under their terms of service. But if it was you who sent it accidentally or voluntarily, then there's no way that you can get a refund from Cash App. But I hope that this video helped you actually understand the nature of how blockchain works. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.